All right, folks, here's 3 chart requests from over here inside the Discord. We're taking these right here from the live requests. We answer these here on social media and on YouTube. We're just taking them right here from the chat. The first one we're looking at is AVAV. This is a drone company. Okay, this thing just had a massive pullback here from $400 all the way down here to $181. So if you guys are familiar with our strategy, what we look to do is we look to buy these green dots when the wave is down here, okay, because that is when price has been absolutely knocked. Okay, so we got one back here in 2025. That was in April at 110. Again, it went all the way up to $400. We want to sell these red dots up here. Okay, so it's pulled back a lot here. One thing I do really like about this chart right now is the fact that it's sitting right here on our mean. So the mean, this is just another word for average. Okay, we use the 4-year moving average. That's the blue line. So anytime an asset that we want to buy and hold long term comes into that blue line, like it's doing right now, we want to be buyers, right? We either want to buy at the mean or below the mean. We never want to buy up here, right? A lot of people were talking about drones and AVAV up here at 400 bucks. Now it's down here at 180 and people aren't as excited about it anymore. Again, we want to buy when there's blood in the streets. Okay, when people are complaining, when people are quitting, when people are exiting the building. Okay, and then when it comes back up here and gives us that red dot, that's when we want to sell. Okay, that was a perfect sell signal up there at 400 bucks. Now it's back down here at 181. I like it at these levels. The dot is green. We are bullish on AVAV. The next one's going to be Orcl. We took profits on this one last week before earnings. We literally sold the top right here at 245 off of that red dot there on the daily. Again, anytime you get that extension off those moving averages, you want to look to probably take some off. Okay, 25 to 100% is how much we're selling when we sell here. We sell in lots. And now that it's back down here, though, to 280, again, we sold it up here at 250. Now that it's back down here at 175, it looks interesting. What I'd look for here on the daily chart is a daily alert. It does have the weekly signal, but it is testing major support right now. So the support level I'd watch is like 170, 174. Okay, if we can bounce back and get some buyers here, this thing could see a bounce, but again, that red dot is concerning. So you really want that thing to hold on to like 173, 174. That's where I'd put a stop loss. If that thing's gonna pick up, it needs to hold these lows today, and we need to like gap up tomorrow. So you're still targeting up here at 300. Again, I like it now after the sell-off. What I'd be looking for here on Orcl is a daily green dot, just like these ones you got here into the EMAs. Again, we want to buy into the EMAs or below the EMAs, never up here above them. The last one's going to be ServiceNow. Same thing. We took profits on this one right here on this day. Again, when you see that separation off the mean, again, the mean, we use the EMA ribbons on the daily, and we use that 4-hour on the weekly. Anytime you see that extension here, that normally means it's probably going to cool off, okay? And it cooled all the way back off down here to where we were looking at it right at 100 bucks. I think now looks good too. Now in Orcl, all these look good.